everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 23 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas to share with all of you. If you're new here, we do have days 1 through 22 up on our YouTube, so go ahead and check those out, like and subscribe to continue seeing more, and let's get started. So here is what day number 23 looks like. Okay, it's kind of, oh, it's already open. Okay, let's see. All right. We have Quilted Notebook Cover Project. Here's what that looks like. I'll go ahead and take it out of here. Okay, what do we have? So it says single fabric quilting, crumb piecing quilting, quilt as you go. So there's 3 different options. And it says use your fabric stash with the included embroidery panel and pattern to transfer a standard 7.5 inch by 9 3/4 inch composition book into a unique quilted journal. You have different ideas here at the bottom, so they can be for travel, vacation, gratitude, blessings, running, sports, recipes, menus, favorite quotes, scripture, medical health records, prayers, answers, sketches, doodling, diary, and journaling. And it says it was developed by the Posey Collection Notebook Cover Pattern by Seal Humphreys. PoseyCollection.com is their website. Okay. So here's another way to use the embroidery that we just learned the other day. I forget how many days ago that was now, but here are these stitches we learned. Here's a little bit about the sisters as well. It looks like handmade gifts are their thing. So they developed this pattern. They also included initials that you can embroider on your quilted notebook cover. Here's a little panel to get you started. And then this is great. It actually comes with a little notebook here. This one looks more like a sketchbook. So it's blank pages. There are no lines that you can use with your cover project. All right, so everything you need to do this project, you've already got the embroidery kit from the, I don't know, what was it, 20th maybe, or 19th, one of those days, maybe the 19th. Anyway, you've already got your embroidery kit, all the things that you have there. You've got your cute little panel, you've got your directions, you have your 3 different methods that you can do for this notebook. So yeah, this is a fun little gift. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 24. Bye, everybody.